To health, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control has warned Nigerians against two substandard cough syrups identified in Uzbekistan. In a statement by NAFDAC, the agency identified the products as Ambronol syrup and DOK-1 Max syrup. The agency says the syrups were manufactured by Marion Biotech in India, adding that the manufacturer has not provided guarantees to the World Health Organization on the safety and quality of the products. It says laboratory analysis of samples of both products carried out by Uzbekistan's Ministry of Health found the syrups contained unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol.